In this video, how to fix the missing X.M.P option in the BIOS on Gigabyte motherboards. In easy mode, you cannot see the X.M.P option. In advanced mode, the extreme memory profile is also unavailable. The root cause of the issue is that your RAM does not support X.M.P. Go to Advanced Memory Settings to check if your RAM supports X.M.P. Select SPD Info. As you can see, this Samsung RAM does not support X.M.P. Now, I will shut down the computer and replace the RAM with the new Corsair memory module. After replacing the RAM, you can see that the X.M.P option is now available to enable. In the SPD info, you should see confirmation that the new RAM supports X.M.P. In Windows, you can check if your RAM supports X.M.P by using the CPU Z. Let's download the latest portable version of the app, then run it on your computer. Go to the SPD tab. Under the Timings table, you can see if your RAM supports for X.M.P. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.